Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, bringing you a video today on this beautiful 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo. We just finished a couple of different things to this vehicle. Car came in, it had a singled-in older Kenwood radio that wasn't working correctly and was creating some noise in the aftermarket stereo system that this vehicle has. Customer also brought in this carbon fiber rear wing that he wanted installed. He wanted the factory rear wing taken off and this one installed. This one integrates a third brake light and a backup camera. We also installed a new Sony XAV-AX1000 head unit in this vehicle. So I'm going to start with the rear wing. So this is a carbon fiber rear wing. I believe it's from a company called Scuderia Car Parts. At least that's what the packaging had said. It did not come with the backup camera, nor did it come with the third brake light. We have the third brake light on order right now, so you'll see that that's not currently installed. But we did modify their little opening for a camera, and we installed a Rydeen CM-CKH keyhole camera. It fit amazingly well. I'll just zoom in there, you'll see. Looks like it's meant to be there from factory. This rear wing install was quite a challenge because the factory rear wing does have a speed tilt system. So when this vehicle obviously reaches speed, it has a motorized actuator that's on that trunk lid that raises and lowers the rear wing. You could not retain that feature with this carbon fiber rear wing. So my personal opinion is this carbon fiber rear wing is more for appearance than it is for actual downforce use, but it looks pretty cool. The customer wanted it and gets a backup camera out of it, so we were able to install it. It's nice and solid. You know, it's bolted on there, so it's not going to come off at speed, thankfully. It was quite a bit of a challenge to get this in properly. I'll pop the trunk and I'll show you afterwards. Let me just hop in the vehicle here and I will show you the radio. So as many as you may be aware, this vehicle was one of the first Audi produced Lamborghinis. Now with that being said, the original radio that came in these vehicles was an Audi sourced navigation unit. When this vehicle came in, it had a singled-in radio in here. The previous installers had put in a 3/4 inch piece of MDF, and they had vinyled it. It was a singled-in opening. We opened up that opening. We made it doubled in. We revinyled it. We are probably going to replace this kit. The reason being is there is a kit that we've been able to source online that is factory fit that will just, I'm not a huge fan of the edges of the kit that we made. You know, we are more electronics guys here. I will be the first to admit that we are not a custom shop, but it doesn't look bad. I mean, for now, I think it's a decent appearance, but this is basically what it looks like in this vehicle. Let me just turn the vehicle on and I will show you how the radio looks. That was the other thing that we installed that you may have heard. We installed a Thinkware FA200 dash camera as well. So this is the Sony XAV-AX1000. It's a Sony digital media radio. What digital media means is it's USB, AM, FM, it's Apple CarPlay. It also obviously has the backup camera. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the home button. I am going to go over here. I'll hit the rear camera, and that is the rear camera image that you will see coming off of the camera that we installed in the rear wing. This will switch automatically when you put it in reverse. Let me just start the vehicle. I'll exit it here. I'll go home. So the vehicle is now running. As soon as I put it in reverse, boom, it switches to the rear camera. I'm just going to put the car back in park. I'm going to shut this down for now because it is quite loud. And I mean, that's essentially, we've done a demonstration on this radio before. As you can see, it's got AM FM tuner, Sirius XM capability, Bluetooth. It's got the Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth audio, USB, etc., etc. We mounted the microphone centrally up here, right by the rear view mirror. And if I pan to the back here, you can kind of get an idea of what the audio system looks like. They have a 10-inch sub mounted in the center, amplifier to the right, and then amplifier over here to the left. Now, we didn't do the car audio system. We only did the head unit and the backup camera. There is the original rear wing. And that pretty much concludes this video. We will make another video when we reinstall a different kit in this, just to show you the kit that we're going to source online for this client. If you own a Lamborghini Gallardo, or you know somebody that's got an exotic car and they want to get some work done to it, please give us a shout, 647-439-4485, or toll free 1-866-824-4118. Or any other vehicle for that matter. We would love to work on anything that you have. We are specialists in dash cameras, car audio, driver safety, backup cameras, remote starters, car alarms. Pretty much anything automotive electronics we can handle here at Lockdown Security. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you.